Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Japanese cucumber pickles. I formerly made a video about Japanese cucumber pickles, and this recipe is similar, but it came from my mom. And this one is sweeter than the before that I made, and I like this one very much. And actually this is what my mom making in her home. I shot when I went to Japan, and my mom made this one. She's taking seeds out, but this cucumber doesn't have watery seeds, so I wouldn't do it if I were her. While she is leaving salt with cucumbers, go to next step. Now going back to the cucumbers. She's showing how much water coming from cucumbers, and she squeezed the cucumbers and take the water out. When the liquid boiled, pour into the cucumbers. Leave this one like this until it is cool. The liquid is cooled. Take liquid to the pot and boil again. And you do this process for 3 times. Cooling down is very important because that's the time that flavor gets into the cucumbers. Now she is making julienne ginger. This picture is what I made at my home, and I didn't take the seeds out. I hope you enjoy my video today, and if you like my video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.